We're eastbound on the A8, Shieldhall Rd, heading towards Ibrox Stadium. What hazards can you spot? Okay, the title might have given you a clue. First turning on the left is the only way in or out of a housing estate. And at shops on the right. In 2019, the Transport Scotland Act made it illegal to park on the pavement, at a dropped kerb, or double park anywhere in Scotland unless you're an emergency service vehicle or Royal Mail delivery van. That's £700 that could have come off this year's council tax rise. We can see the white Skoda from here. Second and third on the left are the only roads in or out of the next housing estate and Govan High School. Armed with his Green Cross code and a safe place away from parked cars where people can see him. But the Skoda isn't looking ahead, it's just trying to get across the road. Good job he was looking and listening all the way. And we leave you tonight at the Craiglin roundabout beside Broadwood Stadium at Cumbernauld.
What's it called?
Cumbernauld, a new generation.